someone help me check the YouTube channel. Maybe the stream is like the stuff has started streaming, because it's actually activated here, but I'm not sure if it's on already.
Do you want me to check it for you?
Okay, yes, please.
What's the name of the channel?
My goodness, you don't even know the name of the channel. Okay, Roy Tech Up. Just type the Roy Tech Up there.
It's live.
Okay, you've been able to see it, right?
Yeah, it's live.
Okay.
I can see it. You're live.
Okay.
So this is it actually. When we try to like open it, this is what it brings.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you. That Hey, Favor, can you take over the section? I'm coming.
Okay. Okay.
Favor.
All right. So now that I'm back fully, because I want to make sure that this thing is actually live, since I will not be able to record. And yes. Okay. So where were we?
So what we were actually trying to do was to like, remember last time I told you I wanted to do the week 2 assignment.
Okay, so
but I wanted some help. Or there's some things that I had not.
So
actually,
why not do it on VS Code once and for all?
What I wanted to do was like to make sure that the sales DB that I have in the right one, so I get any information like the payments and everything. It might be here because on week 1, I remember the guy Zablon has said that we upload this sales DB.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if this sales DB is the one that, if the first one is the one that we are supposed to use for week 2 and week 3 assignments, or was there another sales DB that we had to download and upload?
Oh, okay. The thing is, let me tell you the facts behind these tasks. All right. So, whenever you're solving your task, it doesn't really it's actually not necessary for you to how do I say it now? It is not particularly for you to like maybe run this stuff and then confirm it with maybe a sales DB that you've downloaded or that you have somewhere before. What they are concerned about is if your commands are correct. Because if you I don't think it's this session. I actually hosted a section where I was explaining to them how PLP marks our task. All right, there's already the reason why the way they mark our task is because there is something that they've integrated with our directory. So that's why we are given a repository. That's why we've been given a repository already to use. All right. So now, watch this. Let me share my screen so I can explain this more. Let me share my screen. Okay, so let me present. If you can't see my screen, kindly let me know. And if you can, let me know also. So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Now watch this. I'm going to look for the okay, this is my dashboard. Okay, now database for week 2. Let me just look for database. Okay, this is week 3. This is database for week 3. Are you trying to do week 2 or week 3 again?
Week 2 actually. That's what I was trying
week
to
2.
do.
All right, so week 2 database. This is it. Now let's go inside. Let me explain to you. You see, whenever you have your database structure like this particular part that says GitHub workflow, this particular part is what is checking if what is inside if what you have inside your answer.sql is correct. That's just what it's meant for, just to confirm if what's inside here is correct. Like, just as simple as this, just to confirm if it is correct. Now watch this. If I should go back to, let's go back home. Now let me grab the one for week 3. You see, the same GitHub workflow is here. Why? Because they need to confirm if what you have inside your answer.sql is correct. And that is in regards to what they want you to do here, the submitting instruction here. Write an SQL statement to create a table named student, blah, blah, blah. And when you get here, this is how I did it: create table, students, and all those things right here. Then now let me open this GitHub workflow for you. Now let me show you the main YML. Now watch this. It says, first of all, this is to check SQL assignment week 3. All right. Then here it says update and install dependency. So it's going to install dependency to test this thing out. Then now it will just look for some certain things, like here, check if there is create database. If create database doesn't exist, then know that there is an error. Then check if answer.sql, if answer.sql is missing a particular workflow stuff that has been created. So check also if it is empty or contains only comments. Are you getting it now? So it doesn't matter if what you're doing is affecting the database that you have before or not. What you just want to check is if all these like simple things are available, if they are there on your database. So if it is not there, it is then the stuff is going to mark you wrong or tell you that what you did is not correct. Are you getting it? So there is no need to go to Workbench and then start trying to like use a real life database. All you just need to do is answer the question. Just answer your question, update it. There's already a GitHub workflow that is going to mark just the command. The GitHub workflow doesn't have access to another database somewhere to check if what you are doing is actually deleting the database or not, because you've uploaded this here on GitHub. So how does GitHub know if you've actually deleted something on your PC or not? It can't. So stop stressing yourself trying to do all these things on. The only reason you should do it on your Workbench or maybe some other time is if you just want to know how it works and see how it works. Whenever you're given an assignment, just head to where you're going to solve it. Don't bother if it is going to create the stuffs or not. Just do it. As long as you download this workflow is going to assist you, especially if you have the this thing downloaded already. There are some particular times that if you install, like if you clone this particular Git repository and then maybe if you connect it to GitHub, there's some particular ways that you can do. How do I say it? There's some particular ways that you're going to connect it, that it will automatically connect you to the database that you have already. All right. So now this is just do what you need to do and send it out there. So it doesn't matter if what you have actually installed. So now here it says now update and install all dependencies. So now in other words, once you clone this particular directory, there's a particular database that is coming alongside with it to confirm if what you're doing is correct. So I don't want to step right into our to the channel again. I would have shown you. So but let's see, I actually don't even have enough what's it called here to keep explaining all these things. But then let's jump right into your question and then just solve your question and then submit, and that's all. Okay, so now share your screen and then go back to your PLP dashboard and show me the question again.
Oh, you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, share your screen again. All right, so now go back to your PLP dashboard or whichever way your VS Code. Go to your VS Code so I can see your what's it called, your I hope you've so let's see the readme let me read the readme. So what was the assignment again? What was the question on the assignment again?
So
Submission instruction. Just look for the submission instruction part.
So these are the.
You have to zoom in,
instructions.
so we can see. It's actually very tiny here. If you pinch your mouse and it's not working, then maybe you should try the command plus again.
Which is a command plus.
Yes. So now submission instructions. Yes. All right. So click on this, like at the top left corner. Just click on that your Explorer tab, the one showing 1. Click on it so you can close that, so you will have more space. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it says write an SQL query to retrieve the check number, payment dates, and amounts from the payment table. All right, so this is actually very easy to do, right? Okay, so now click on that Explorer tab section again at the top left corner there. Yes, click on your answers.sql. All right, so now first thing first, yes. So now you're asked to create, what was it we're asked to create again?
Write an SQL query to retrieve the check numbers, payment dates, and amount from the payments table.
Yes. So we are asked to write an SQL query to retrieve our check number, payment date, amounts, and payments. So now what we're going to do first thing first is, you see, how do I even put the word now? Each task, thank you. So each task, perhaps, yes. So each task in SQL has their own particular English you use in solving them. All right. So everything has their own different English in solving them. So which actually makes it more easier, because whenever you're working on SQL, so SQL is just like when you're doing something using like sentence. So as long as you understand how to put the sentence, here we are asked to write an SQL query to retrieve the check number, payment date, amount from payments, right? So now, how do we do this? Now, go to your answers.sql. So they said to write a query to retrieve. So to retrieve them, we want to select them and then do what? Okay, I think I'm doing it. Okay, just type select. Uppercase, please. Learn to use uppercase, although it's not case sensitive, but just learn to do it the right way. Yes. So now select space, check number, the same way it is written, lower C, then check, then capital N number. Check number. Just type check number. Okay, you can even go to, okay, capital N. Write it together, or you just copy from the other, from the readme.md there.
This one?
Yes, copy. Comma.
Like that?
Comma, just comma. Space. Then payment date. So the database your database should automatically detect the database from your GitHub folder there. Okay, yes, check number, then payment date, yes, comma, amount, just write amount, yes, tab, just hit tab on your button. Yes, so delete the last line, and add a semicolon to the front of that payment line too. Yes, and that's it. So now hit enter again. All right, so here let's solve number 2. That's just it for number 1. That's the answer to number 1. So here says write an SQL query to retrieve the order date, required date, and status of order that are currently in process. in process. Okay, from the orders table, sort the results in descending order of order dates. Okay, now go back to your answer.sql. all right, so now in that line 4, now select order dates. Now you have to select order dates, required dates, and status. Yes, order dates, required dates, and status. Select, start from select. Let's be fast because my PC is actually running out. I think I should even
like that.
Yes, so order date. Yes, so get the required date. You can even just start typing it. The database has been linked already, so your is going to dictate it. As you can see, that is bringing suggestions, but the next one is status. Just type status, is going to bring it. No, lowercase. Yes, exactly, from orders, but delete the semicolon in the next line. Yes, because your command hasn't finished. Then to the next line, or you can even continue, you can write it at the front where status equals in process. Just copy this in process.
Yeah.
Yes, copy the in process without the with the semicolon, with the quotation mark rather. Copy it with the quotation. So if you ask, exactly. Now go back to your SQL. Yes. Now say where space where, or you can go to the next line. Okay. Oh, it's already showing it. But where status isn't equals shipped, but press tab. Just press tab. Now change that shipped to in process. Delete the ship and the semicolon and replace it with the in process you copied.
Wait, Favor, this week 2 assignments now.
Yes, that's week 2 assignments. In process, yes. That process, I'm not sure. Delete everything again, delete everything to that equals, then type the in process again. In. Is the process lowercase or uppercase? Check the readme. I'm seeing uppercase here, but it looks like in the table it's lowercase. Don't worry, leave it as lowercase since that's what's in the table. Because I don't know. Then now our command is not finished yet, so remove that semicolon. Yes, so wait, how are we asked to order it? Press enter. Are you sure you will not have to remove that semicolon? Descending order. Okay, in descending order. So order by.
It's just there,
yeah, you can just press enter. Right. Yes, just press enter there. Okay, now order by. Yes, that's the whole thing. Just press tab. Yes, that's it.
Like that?
Yes, and that's it. So let's check the next question. Okay, write a query to display the first name, last name, and email of employees whose job title is sales rep.